Hey YouTube. So I was just getting ready to go to work. So I tried to do this unboxing yesterday, hence the packaging open. Uh, and I like rated it, the chain and all that, and I was like, oh, it's an 8 out of 10 because it's shorter than what I expected. Because y'all know I love my 20-inch chains. Turns out the motherfucker's 18 inches, and I'm gonna have to issue a return for it. Quick stop. Tips and tricks when y'all are doing an unboxing or just opening packages from Amazon and all that. Don't rip the package open, so you don't have to buy a new packaging if you need to make a return, and don't throw it away immediately. Like actually open it, make sure it fits and all that before you start throwing stuff away. I'm glad I didn't like go crazy with it. So it's face down because my last name and all that shit is written on it. But so let's get started. So what this is, it's supposed to be a rose gold 6 millimeter 20-inch chain. So it's not 20 inches, it is 18 inches. So yeah. So what does it come with? So this right here. Also a quick tip, if y'all are fans of Harlem Bling, you so they have like different sales and all that. And what I noticed about Eddie, he doesn't post the same sale on like all of his social media websites. Like it'll be posted on his website and then on YouTube, or it'll just be posted on YouTube and not his website. Like you have to follow him on multiple different things to get the best sales. So that's a quick tip. Um, Next item is a cleaning cloth. Uh, yeah, so I usually don't keep these, but I realize when you clean sterling silver jewelry, this is not sterling silver, by the way, it's stainless steel. Um, it gets really dirty, like the cleaning cloths. So you could either throw them in the wash machine or you could just get new ones. So I realized I do need to start keeping these. And then, so this is what the chain actually came in. So it came in a protective box with the box. So you can see that. I usually don't keep these boxes because I have a lot of chains. And this is the chain right here. So reason why I got it. So as y'all know, I everyday wear a Jacoji Franco chain and rope chain. And I am in the market for a third chain. And I've recommended this to my subscribers that if you're looking for a chain, get like the stainless steel or vermeil version first before you get like the actual gold. Like rather than spending thousands of dollars on a chain you may not like and you got to return, get like the cheaper version, wear for like a month, 2 weeks, whatever, and see how you like it. Yeah, so you can experiment on what you may like. So this is what it looked like. And also rose gold. So I don't own anything rose gold. So this was supposed to be my first rose gold chain ever. Yeah. So my initial impression of it, I really liked it. I just do not like 18-inch chains. Like me and 18-inch chains is like, I don't know, a fat kid and broccoli. I just fucking, I don't like them. And so that's the box clasp to it. And as I tried the chain on yesterday, I did realize that I don't like box clasps. It's kind of funny. I like the way they look. It's just very cumbersome trying to put it on by yourself. But yeah, excuse my man hands. I be lifting weights. But yeah, so yeah, I love the chain. Love the Miami Cuban link. This is like I think my first ever Miami Cuban link also. Rose gold. It's my first rose gold chain. But yeah, I might have to return this bad boy. I did, yeah, like I said, I had made a video and everything yesterday, and I thought about posting it with me complaining, and then I was like, I ain't gonna be no Karen. You get it? Because my name. But yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just give the people what they want. And an unboxing experience is an unboxing experience regardless of whether or not I got what I wanted as far as links. So yeah, so this is what the chain come in. Overall experience or rating of this chain, I still remain like it's an 8 out of 10. Like I just don't like goddamn what is it called? Actually, I'm gonna say 7 out of 10 because I don't like box clasps. So 7 out of 10. It's a good quality chain, heavy. Um, I don't know if I did show y'all. It is, what is it called? Stamped. It's stamped. It says 14K GP for gold plated. Yeah, so rating 7 out of 10. Love it. Just don't like the length of it and the clasp. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like if you want to see me like reviewing anything, just let me know. I'll think about it because I don't get sent anything free. As y'all know, like I be buying my own stuff. Like a lot of these YouTubers, they make like a lot of expensive jewelry, but they get sent that shit for free. So I don't get sent anything for free. It come out of my own pocket. But thank y'all for watching. See you.